this one stop something. Let me just try, shall we? Let me try. There's no one to try.
Ah, Mrs.
Madam, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Long time. How are the children?
We are fine. We thank God. We don't
Madam,
know.
I just say let me come and meet you. Honestly, I don't think this thing will really enter again. Eh? My hair don't be break where I did, madam. Eh? Like this way school they start, so I don't get anything for my children. I go make you borrow me money. Oh. If you have any money to give me, please help me now. I don't know how to do this. School is starting on Monday. I've not even their shoe, not even books, nothing. Please, I came so that you can help me. Please, borrow me some money. Let me use and see what I can do with it. My sister, this I'm just short of words.
Hmm. As you can see now, I'm just going to my friend's place. So, you know that my friend normally comes. I'm going to her house to see if she can give me something. Because I begged her that she should loan me some money that I'll pay her next month. So she said that definitely she will give me today or tomorrow. That's why I want to go there to meet her. I don't have.
This time is so hard that people are finding this
School's supposed to resume on Monday. I don't have money. The most important problem I have now is the book back. If I'm able to pay the book back now, then I can pay the other ones instrumentally. Don't worry. If maybe, let me just pray and keep my fingers crossed. If she give me up to the amount I asked her, then I can give it from there. Don't be bothered. Don't be too bothered. God will make a way for us. Just stay alive. Be strong and focused. Ask around. Let's help each other. Woman to woman. As well.
Thank you very much.
Are you coming? Let me find something for you.
Don't worry. I'm okay. Thank you.
As well.